Alright, so we got the Cheyenne out here, and we got all the green that ain't supposed to be on here washed off. Just a quick rinse. Nothing long. Alright, that piece of molding right there is in the cab. The cab corner molding's in the cab. I've got all the bed molding. Like I said, the mission sticker, 402 4-barrel, applicable to 1971 vehicles. Got the 400 emblems because that's what Chevrolet called the trucks, the 402 in the trucks. You see it's top of the roof, the hood, this part of the fender here, this part of the door was a dark olive. Somebody back in the day put cab lights on it. They're gone. They were gone when I got the truck. So we got to fill the holes for that. I don't know what in the world happened right there. Like I said, this bed come off a 69 GMC. I couldn't get the hose around to the tailgate. The tailgate come off of a 69 Chevrolet. Overall, pretty solid truck. Like I said, it needs cab corners. Alright, got the factory RPO tag. Body saw molding, air conditioning, front and rear shocks, rear heavy duty rear spring. It's calling it a 396 cubic inch V8 on here. Wheel covers, tack, tooling, storage. That's was in the factory bed. Custom sport, tinted glass, door edge guards, dome lamp, front stabilizer bar, vacuum brake booster, heavy duty battery, push button radio, rear step bumper, and light olive and dark olive, or dark olive and medium olive, I think is what it says. But anyhow, like I said, factory AC truck. You can see center vent, still got the factory radio in it, still got the factory cigarette lighter. The factory headliner has fallen out because of, I guess, the glue turning loose. The cargo lamp switch. Tack in the dash. Somebody put a trailer brake controller in here. There's that piece of molding that goes on the bottom of the door. Door shuts nice and solid. Heavy duty power brakes. We got a new brake booster, master cylinder, and all that to go on it. windshield washer jug, and of course the AC stuff. So we're going to get on this thing, and hopefully it won't take too long. It cleaned up pretty good. I hadn't brought the hood up here from the barn yet, so it didn't get washed. Of course, there's not a lot of paint on the hood, just like the tops of the fenders and that cow panel. It's got worse for wear, but we'll get it together. It's not getting a step bumper on it. We're putting a factory chrome bumper on here, so it's not going to be built to as born. It's going to be built to as I want it. So but we are going to hook the AC back up, but we're not worried about that right now. Got another windshield to go in it. Don't know. I've got a couple windshields. I don't know if I got a tinted windshield or not. I'll have to check. And like I said, we got the frame rails over here painted up. They turned out right nice. So we'll, like I said in the previous video, we're gonna blow this apart, rebuild the front suspension, finish cleaning up the rear. We got wheel seals, wheel bearings, pinion seal, and rear cover gasket. We got all the rubber brake hoses. We'll bend new metal hard lines for it. Got wheel cylinders, brake shoes, and all that. So we'll get all that straightened out. And then of course we got this 454. This is freshly built. I took video when I built this engine, and I looked for it today and couldn't find it, but I'll find that video and it'll be posted. I created a playlist for this truck today, so if you want to know anything about this truck, the videos will be on the playlist. Got a brand new flywheel, brand new starter to go on it, a new distributor, plug wires. Like I said, we got headers. I got a pipe kit. It's U-bends and 90s and 45s and some straight pipe. We're gonna build us our own exhaust system for this thing. So it's gonna be fresh. Like I said, turbo 400. So 454 turbo 400. The 454 turbo 400 got this is a 308 geared rear end, which would go really nice with the automatic. So get it up on jack stands, blow the rest of the rear suspension apart, finish cleaning it up, get it painted back together. We'll get the front cross member out of the big block truck. We'll take this one out, switch the cross members, paint it, rebuild it, and then we'll be ready for the drive line. Once we get the motor and transmission set in here, then we'll build the exhaust. So y'all stay tuned. It's coming together pretty quick. I hope. We plan on it coming together really quick. One thing is we're gonna be fighting weather because it is February. If y'all don't know, we're in North Carolina, so it was really warm yesterday. It was a little warmer today, but not as warm as it was yesterday. It could rain or even snow tomorrow, so North Carolina's weather changes daily. So until April or whatever, we're at the mercy of the weather. But y'all stay tuned. I've got lots of stuff coming, so parts are here pretty much, so it'll be coming together really quickly if weather permits. All right, y'all, stay tuned.